directly in front of us. Please have bags and purses ready for a security check.
Elevation 8,516 feet. We're going to pass over 5 towers. The third tower is going to have more swing than the other towers. I'll let you know when we get there, so that way you know to hold on to one of these bars. I'm going to rotate the floor. The handles at the windows will not rotate with the floor, so don't find out to grab
Palm Springs Aerial What's the same? During our power settled was moving. And halfway point on our group, because both cars are tied
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anthony. So we got Tram up to go down today. Almost like it's Disneyland. In 1 second, I will be rotating the floor, so please, if you have any small children, do not stick them out of the window. Watch your hats. Do not stick your hat out the window either.
Leave it there, we'll just stand here. No, it's good. It rubs against it. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
That's a good one. I like that. Well, you and I
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.